In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. All you need to do is go into Settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Now you need to choose Connection Preferences and tap on Printing available at the top. Now you can either use the Footprint service or tap on Add Service and download the best one for you. Either way, tap on it and activate it the same way by clicking on this switcher at the top right corner if it's not already on. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip, you can always tap on those three dots at the top right corner if you are struggling with connection. Select Add Printer. Click on this switcher next to Wi-Fi Direct Printing to enable it, and hit Allow in the pop-up if you never used it before. Then tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct Printers and wait for your device to find yours. If you don't have Wi-Fi Direct Printers option, you can go back and tap on Add Printer by IP address instead. Now input it and hit Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!